Sobrang lamig, halos buong maghapon na lang umuulan. So ngayon, ito ang ganti natin. Hmm. Oo, Mountain Dew, baka naman. Meron tayo ditong balot. Dahil mahilig tayo sa itlog, tayo'y kumain ng balot. At merong noodles na may itlog din, syempre. Parang hindi yata tumigil yung ulan itong maghapon. Syempre, hindi tayo papayag na hindi tayo kakain ngayong maulan. Mm.
Why do you drink the CCU?
Mm. Ano ba?
I don't like how the rays are sticking out of the shell.
Huwag ka tumingin. Baliktad pala yung pagkakabalat ko. Ay nako, nakikita ko tuloy lahat. Nakikita ko na yung kulay itim, parang hindi ko kaya. Mali yung pagkakaano ko.
Why does it look like that?
Sige na nga eh.
You have to eat it.
Parang ayoko na tuloy ito kainin. Ang laki! Ang laki niya! Ayoko!
Why does it look like that?
It's a small chicken. Hindi ko siya kayang kainin ng ganun yung nakikita ko ng buo.
Wait. What's that, a chicken?
Yeah.
Can you keep the chicken?
What?
Okay. I want to have a baby chicken.
Baby chicken, it's dead already.
Is it because it was already cooked?
Hmm? Ang kinakain ko na lang is itong kulay dilaw. I cannot. Gusto ko kasi kakainin ko yun nung medyo nasa shell pa. Hindi mo makikita lahat. Pero yung ganun, nakita pati kaluluwa. Diyos ko Lord. Mali ang pagkabalat ko eh. Paka-arte nitong kasama ko.
A few?
Hmm.
Did it actually taste that good?
Wow. Really tastes that good.
Meh. I ain't eating that kind of egg that has a chicken.
Because it's good.
But it looks tasty.
Sabaw muna. There's another chicken here.
I don't know.
There is another chicken here.
Then you're gonna find it.
Yeah. Oh. You're gonna vomit in your mouth.
Why does it look like that? I think the egg was already hatching.
Can you shut up?
The egg was already hatching.
Yeah, it is.
And now you're gonna eat
Oh
it.
my gosh, I can still see it. I don't think I can do it.
Then don't look at it.
I think it's smiling.
Huh? Bro, stop!
What, bro?
I don't like how it looks.
You should kiss it as a sign of respect.
I ain't eating a chicken egg.
What's wrong with you? Ang layo naman sa'yo, di naman to gumagalaw.
I don't like how it looks.
Daddy Listin, ang layo, hindi to lilipad.
Ano na yan? Inanuhol mo, good yung mata.
I ate the half already. The half bag.
Oh! I can see some of the part of it.
Yeah.
Sinulat, pag-usap ko, di ko kain niya. Ay, ito pala.
Oh, it looks so gross.
It has hair like you. Ano ba nangyayari sa'yo?
It looks so gross.
Yummy. Wala na, oh. Ubus na.
Oh.
Nanginginipid siya, eh. Hindi ko na makatapos kain. Ang dami, yummy. Luluwa mo tayo siya.
I don't like that. Is it already gone?
Oh, boss. Kiss me.
Oh, did it have
Kiss me, tang to tang.
Yummy kiss na lang.
I deserve a kiss.
I don't like how it kisses in your mouth. It looks disgusting.
Wala na.
If I ever see that one more time, I'm going to actually vomit.
Gonna vomit talaga?
Yes.
Wala na.
Ugh. It still has hair.
Yeah, the hair. You like the hair?
No! I hate the hair.
What's wrong? What's happening with you?
What's wrong?
Someday you're gonna love this.
How can I love it if it has chicken hair? I ain't drinking any chicken sauce.
Perfect.